Live updates show explosions reported in the capital of Venezuela amid heightened tensions. There are reports that the United States has carried out strikes, and claims are circulating that Venezuela's president and his wife have been detained. Though this has not been independently verified, the situation remains unclear and rapidly evolving as international attention grows. The situation remains unclear and rapidly evolving as international attention grows. Please subscribe for more fast, clear global news updates.